Hey guys, so welcome to episode 2 of my flipping journey. I sold the first PC for $370, so that's $65 profit, which is better than I expected, considering the issues I had with the power supply, etc. So with that money, I bought a 1060 GTX, which we're going to use for the next PC flip, which is going to be a flip of an Alienware system. Got it for free, so the only money I put into it is the money for the 1060, which was $139. So I reckon we can make a good profit of it on it. So yeah, let's get started with it. Hopefully the 1060 fits, and also hopefully the power supply will handle the beefier card. So we'll see how we go. Just to see how the thermal paste is on this. Pretty much, I mean, it's on the, a lot of it's on the fan, but it's pretty dry, man. Pretty dry. And there's nothing on the CPU. Yuck. Alright, so that's it. So yeah, just to recap, the GPU has been repasted, the CPU has been repasted. So now I've got to wait for the SSD to come tomorrow. So the SSD needs to go in here. Then the GPU goes on top of it, so I can't do anything until I get that SSD. So the reason why I got the SSD, I can't remember whether I told you this or not, is because it only had a 100 gigabyte SSD in it. So I went and bought a 512 one. It's not massive, but it'll fit Windows and a few games on it. So I think it'll be good. And also, there's no way people will be interested in a system with only 100 gig in it. So yeah, that's why I got the 512. As mentioned before, I got a new SSD, just because the 100 gig drive is not going to be enough. Bloke was kind enough to add a SATA cable, which I needed because I have only one 50-year-old one, 500 giga. So it's not heaps, but it's better than 100. And at least we can get, you know, a few games on there instead of just one, or maybe two. But yeah, we needed this. I've never seen this before, but goes alright. Fits straight in. What I think we'll do now is put the GPU in. Great difficulty. We have to put the GPU on this thing. There's the GPU. Alright, moment of truth, guys. Hopefully everything's all good. I'll switch it on. Get a post. We have a post. We've put the Alienware system together, so now we're going to do some benchmarking. So we're going to benchmark Cinebench, we're going to benchmark Heaven, we're going to benchmark Cyberpunk 2077. Hopefully the power supply holds up. Yeah, there we go. It's actually up there with the 11th Gen i7, which is interesting. Yeah, so at 1440p, the quality is at high for the Heaven benchmark. I think that's pretty good. Still running it, you know, jumping between 70, 80, 60 FPS. So I think on older games, this machine will be great on 4040p, I reckon. Not too bad at all. Pretty impressed with the 1660 GTX at 6 gig. I know that 6 gig isn't great for these days, but I think that any entry-level PC gamer, this little PC will be fine. But let's see how we go with Cyberpunk. Let's run a benchmark first, see how we go. I'll tell you what, it's not bad. Playable, it looks smooth. The little machine's chugging. Obviously I'm going to do some gameplay footage as well. Like yeah, surprisingly, it's not going too bad. Oh, yeah, not too bad for what it is. 1440p. Going to the resolution, and let's change to 1080, 920 by 1080. Yeah, let's try that. 48, 50, 58 FPS. Ooh. Whoa, we're close, man. We're there, I reckon. Oof. Definitely playable now. Yeah, definitely playable now. Running at 50, 56, 57, you know, hitting that 60. At 1080p. Still holding. Still holding. 61. Come on, sucker. Ooh. Oh, you got me. So there you have it, guys. Alienware system playing, well, 15-year-old Alienware system playing Cyberpunk 2077. So I'll put it up for sale for $480 and post the ad on Facebook Marketplace. It probably won't sell for that much, but I'm hoping for over $400 for it. We'll at least make our money back and make a little bit of profit. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the logo below.